Hello student of class 4, I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope all are you fine. This is my second video and I am going to continue the first chapter, which is computer and its memory. So let's start. Here is the main content of this chapter. First is data and information. I already have discussed about the first topic, which is data and information and computer memory and its type. We already discussed up to primary memory of the second topic. I hope that all you can understood, and also write the question answer on your computer copy of this related topic, which I have already provided to you. Now I am going to discuss the second part of computer memory, and its type is secondary memory and units of memory. Okay, so move on to the first page. Here is the secondary memory. Secondary memory means the memory as a external memory or storage. It is used to store data like picture, video, games and other important files. That means the secondary memory is known as external memory. That means is not internal memory like RAM and ROM. Okay, it is an external memory or storage device. It is used to store data like pictures, videos, game, etc. Okay, now here are the example of secondary memory device. Number one is hard disk. Hard disk is mainly a internal storage device. That means hard disk is inside the CPU box, is present inside the CPU box. Next is pen drive, is external. CD is external. Memory card, data card and cloud storage. We will know one by one. Okay, first is hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device. It is fixed inside the CPU of a computer. That means this hard disk is inbuilt in the computer CPU box. Okay, where we can store the data. How it is work? It is a set of disks called platters. Okay, it is a set of disks called platter. The spindle keeps the platters in its position. It cannot be carried around easily, but stores large amount of data. That means we cannot carry this hard disk anywhere. Okay, but we can store large amount of data inside it. That means nowadays the hard disk can be 1 TB, 2 TB, 1 TB, 2 TB data storage capacity. Okay, nowadays hard disk can store the data about 1 GB on 1 TB or 2 TB approx. Second is pen drive. So move on to the next page. Here is the pen drive. Pen drive means the pen drive of flash drive is a small portable stick that can store a large amount of data. You can see the picture of the pen drive on your book. Okay, you can see the picture of this device on your book. In your book, the pen drive is a small device, portable sticks that can store large amount of data. Pen drive can carry it around easily and safely. That means pen drive we can easily carry around the pen drive easily and safely. It can plugged into the device in order to be used. When we need to use the pen drive, we can plugged in the computer. Okay, and the pen drive nowadays, a pen drive can be stored up to 512 GB. Okay, up to 512 GB nowadays. Next is CD and DVD. The CD, full form of CD is compact disc, and DVD is digital versatile disc. Digital versatile discs are also a portable storage device. They are thin and shiny. They are inserted into a CD or DVD ROM. A DVD has more capacity than CD. A CD can store up to 700 MB data, but a DVD can store up to 16 GB data. Okay, both are used to store movies, picture and text. and some DVDs are rewritable. That means we can erase the data on the from the DVD. Okay, erase the data from the DVD and rewrite the DVD. Okay, that means that data on it can be erased and other data can be stored in the place. That means we can easily erase the data inside the DVD. Okay, that is called that's why called the DVD is rewritable. Okay, next is memory card or data card. Memory card or data card is used inside the mobile phones and cameras and can be connected to a computer with the help of card readers. Okay, some laptops have a card slot in which a memory card can be inserted. That means a memory card is also a storage device. It is inside the mobile phones or cameras. Okay, it can store large amount of data, and some laptops had a card slot in which a memory card can be inserted. one uh, One is missing, Blu-ray discs, DVD Blu-ray discs. The Blu-ray disc is a type of DVD also. Okay, this is a DVD called Blu-ray disc with more storage capacity than a DVD. Is used to record high definition HD videos and storing large amount of data. That means it can store high definition videos. Okay, and storing large amount of data. Next is cloud storage. Cloud storage means is a data storage device that used online with the help of the internet connection. That means we can store the data in cloud storage by using internet. Okay, we need an internet connection to store the data on cloud storage. There are some cloud storage provider are OneDrive, Dropbox and Google Drive. These are the service provider of cloud storage. Okay, so move on to the next page. Here is the computer unit. Okay, every computer system have a port or slot that work as a computer point between external and internal device and the computer. Okay, these are the port. You can see the port. Number 1 is parallel port, number 2 is Ethernet LAN port. We can connect the internet through Ethernet LAN port. Okay, USB 2 port, we can connect the USB, that means pen drive here. Okay, we use USB 2 port to connect the pen drive into the computer. Next is VGA port. Next is keyboard connector, mouse connector. These are the connector we can use to connect the CPU. We can use to connect the mouse and keyboard. Okay, then microphone line connector, speaker connector. That means when we use microphone, then we connect the microphone jack in the connector, speaker connector. Next is game and MIDI port. Okay, this is all the ports of a computer. Okay, now comes to the unit of memory. The computer memory can be measured in terms of bit or byte. That means computer memory is measured in bit and bytes. Okay, a bit is also called a binary digit. Okay, it is the smallest unit of memory. It is the smallest unit of memory. A computer can only understand the binary language 0 and 1. 0 means off, 1 means on. That means a computer can only understand the binary digit which is 0 and 1. Okay, now here is a chart, unit and size. A first is 1 nibble, that means 4 bits. Okay, 1 bytes is 8 bits. 1 KB means kilobytes, 1024 bytes. 1 MB means 1024 KB. These are the unit and size of the data. Okay, you can learn it on your book. Okay, next here is some inside question answer on the following chapter. You need to write this question answer on your computer copy and also learn the question answer, and you need to read the book carefully to understand the following chapter. The question number 10 is write the use of a secondary memory. I already have provided 9 questions. I hope all of you can understand and write the question answer on your computer copy. And here is question number 10. Write the use of secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as external memory or storage. It is used to store data like pictures, games, and other important files. Explain the question number 11 is explain the following: CD, DVD, HDD. Here is the full form of CD, DVD. HDD, compact disc, digital versatile disc. HDD mean hard disk drive. Define binary digit. Next is who invented the first computer disk drive. Next is which is the smallest unit of computer memory. Here is a small mistake. The smallest unit of computer memory is bytes. The smallest memory of a computer memory is bits or bytes. Okay. Question number 14 is incorrect. The smallest unit of computer memory is bits or byte. Next is write short notes, hard disks, Blu-ray and